Hello everyone, and welcome aboard for another voyage of discovery here on Discovering Britain. I'm Gordon, and I'm the man behind the lens and the research for everything you see on this channel. Here I am today, videoing Allelys moving a huge 360-ton transformer from the docks at Kings Lynn across a large part of Norfolk to Swardeston, where I understand there's a facility being built for the electricity that comes in from the North Sea wind farms. This is just one of a series of these moves that have been and will be taking place, all in the drive for net zero. You can see that the specialised girder trailer that they're using has an enormous amount of axles, about 30 on its own. Then add the two lorries towing and pushing, and I make it 38 axles in total. You will notice that the lorries powering the tow have ballast bodies. These carry a lot of weight in their own right. This is to ensure that the tyres get enough grip without slipping. They are especially low geared for this type of work. The transformer, which is the white box that you see mounted in the girder frame, weighs in at around 360 tonnes. Then the girder frame trailer is likely around 100 tonnes empty, plus the two ballasted lorries. This is coming in at around about 520 tonnes. This drone video is from Knight's Hill on the outskirts of Kings Lynn as they come up from the docks and round onto the Queen Elizabeth Way. I'm always amazed just how they navigate roundabouts. Yes, they are allowed to cheat by going the wrong way around, but it's still very tight. Please don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel to get updates when new content is available. No thumbs down. If it doesn't suit your taste, then please just scroll on by. Thanks everyone. We now catch up with the move as they come along the A47 through Middleton. You can hear the engine notes and other sounds. I have to say that main engine note sounds a bit rough.
How much does a transformer weigh? About 360. Good.
You get a sense of the planning involved for these jobs. When I was on my way over this morning, I saw contractors removing road furniture, such as keep left signs, to enable the transport to ride over the smaller curbs and islands. These will be replaced once it's passed, and they will then repeat over the next few Sundays until all movements are complete. Guess this is a nice bit of overtime for the police, for the outriders and such like. I reckon at a guess, looking at the maps, the total distance of this move is about 50 miles and it's scheduled to take around 8 hours. Hope you enjoyed this look at how these massive pieces of equipment get to the final destination. Thanks for watching.